Payoneer Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Payoneer and related tools are in the description. In this review, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of Payoneer and help you decide if it's the right payment solution for your dropshipping business. Payoneer is a global payment platform designed to help businesses and professionals manage international transactions easily. For dropshipping, Payoneer offers a way to send and receive payments from suppliers and customers worldwide. It's ideal for dropshippers who operate in multiple currencies and need a reliable, low-cost way to manage cross-border payments. Payoneer supports payments to and from countries across the globe, making it an excellent choice for dropshipping businesses working with international suppliers and customers. Features. One of the standout features of Payoneer is its multi-currency accounts, which allow you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, making it easier to deal with international suppliers and customers. Payoneer offers low conversion fees and competitive transaction rates, which can save you money on cross-border payments. The platform supports global bank transfers, e-wallets, and even the ability to pay suppliers directly. Payoneer also has a prepaid MasterCard, allowing you to access your funds quickly and easily for online or in-store purchases. The Payoneer mobile app makes it simple to manage your payments on the go, keeping your business running smoothly. Strengths. Payoneer's biggest strength is its global reach and ability to manage multiple currencies, making it an excellent solution for dropshipping businesses working with suppliers and customers worldwide. The low fees for transactions and currency conversions can help you keep more of your profits, especially when dealing with international payments. Payoneer's ability to offer direct payments to suppliers and its prepaid MasterCard are also key features that can save you time and money. Plus, easy integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon makes Payoneer a flexible and efficient payment option for dropshipping. Weaknesses. One downside of Payoneer is that it can be difficult to set up initially, especially for new users who are not familiar with international payment systems. Additionally, while the fees are competitive, they can still be higher compared to domestic payment processors. Another potential drawback is that Payoneer's customer support can sometimes be slow, which may be frustrating if you run into issues during transactions or account management. Final verdict. Payoneer is a great option for dropshipping businesses that deal with international payments and want to manage multiple currencies with ease. While there are some setup challenges and fees to consider, the low transaction costs and global capabilities make it a solid choice for scaling your dropshipping business. Check the links in the description to explore Payoneer and see if it fits your needs.